My name is Krista Kochoksky. I'm the chair of the real estate group in the Lynch Law Group. I represent a lot of real estate agents and brokers in professional liability cases. And for individuals, I represent a lot of people and companies in connection with property disputes, from quieting titles to fraud cases. Transactionally, I really help a lot of individuals negotiate agreements with builders and developers, and also trying to start up some property investment groups for people. So I practice in multiple jurisdictions, first state and federal. For federal, I'm licensed in all districts: Middle District, Western District, and Eastern District, and also in the Third Circuit. And state, a lot of counties, so I practice in Allegheny County, Butler County primarily, but I also have cases in Washington County and Westmoreland County and Lawrence County and a bunch of other counties across the state. Because I practice in so many different jurisdictions, both different federal courts and different counties, I think one of the things that's a little bit more difficult, especially if you go into a smaller county, because you don't want to get homeschooled, right? So you need to be a little bit more prepared than the other guy, which is always something that I try to remember, and also to get to know who you're speaking to. I try to learn a little bit about the judge that my case is being presented to, what their position is on certain issues of law, how they've responded in different other cases, and that way it'll enable me to prepare myself. I think one of the really good things about being raised as a litigator, if you will, practicing law, is that it helps me do transactional work even better, I think, because when I'm helping negotiate provisions of the contracts, I can always, I think, identify the pitfalls a little bit better, and then try to formulate the provisions to protect my clients better from those pitfalls, and also to maybe include some language that will help them with leverage to get themselves out of the problems later on. I like to offer internal risk management seminars to my clients, because I think that you need to be responsible for your clients' businesses, not just when the problems surface, but hopefully help them with some risk management techniques to prevent the problems down the road. I always tell my clients, it's not you, it's not really a matter of whether, it's a matter of when to expect to be in the courtroom. So, you can help them prepare for their daily activities, and then just make them feel comfortable that you're there for them to get them through the cases if in fact they're sued.